Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Mac by removing cache files, junk data, and temporary files. Doing this regularly can free up storage space, improve performance, and help your Mac run faster and smoother. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll clear the system cache. Open Finder, then click Go in the top menu bar and select Go to Folder. In the box that appears, type ~~l library ~caches and press Enter. This opens your user cache folder. Select everything inside, files and folders, and move them to the trash. Now open Go to Folder again, but this time type /library/caches without the tilde, then press Enter. Once again, select all the contents and move them to the trash. If macOS asks for your admin password, just enter it and continue. Next, let's clear your browser cache. If you're using Safari, click Develop in the menu bar, then choose Empty Caches. If you don't see the Develop menu, you can enable it from Safari Settings. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Under the Basic tab, make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. Set the time range to all time, then click Clear Data. Now let's remove temporary files and log files. Open Finder, click Go, then go to Folder again. Type ~~l~ly~l ogs and delete everything inside that folder. You can also go to /private/var/folders to find additional temporary system files. Just be careful here. Only delete files if you're sure they're safe to remove. If you don't want to do all of this manually, you can use third-party cleaning apps. Tools like Clean My Mac or CCleaner can scan your Mac for junk files, caches, and logs, and clean everything in just a few clicks. Once you're done, don't forget to empty the trash. Until you do, those files are still taking up space on your Mac, and that's it. You've successfully cleaned cache, junk, and temporary files from your Mac, giving it a fresh start. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.